Are your NVIDIA Corp apps crashing due to the NVIDIA Frame Buffer Capture DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To start fixing NVIDIA Frame Buffer Capture manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the NVIDIA Frame Buffer Capture, the NVIDIA Frame Buffer Capture (FBC) library. It provides high-performance, low-latency screen capture hooks used by Steam Link and remote desktop tools to stream gameplay. If missing, remote streaming software will report encoder initialization failed, or will produce a black screen during the stream handshake. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Nvfbc is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X-Input, or X-Audio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the NVIDIA Frame Buffer Capture file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Because a standard update didn't solve the issue, you must perform a manual driver reset, and you should use the Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as the DDU utility, to clear out your current graphics configuration. Once your PC restarts, you can install a fresh driver package to ensure all GPU-related files, like your DLL file, are correctly registered. Why are we doing this? Well, graphics drivers rely on complex registry indexing, and a fresh installation following a DDU wipe forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the necessary libraries. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Manual intervention with NVIDIA Frame Buffer Capture DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older, vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references NVIDIA Frame Buffer Capture configuration concepts. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got NVIDIA Frame Buffer Capture working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.